You've got to have your foot on the brake. Oh, there we go. Ollie's filming me. Make sure I do it right. Right, let's see what this thing's like. For such a big machine, I mean, I've driven big Arctic steer before, not as big as this. Like a 414 back in the day, JSP 414, but this is much bigger. But you can still see, you know, I can see each side of the bottom of the grab on it and everything. Let's show it a bit of work. Right, so the shuttle is under there, so that's good. Well, it does feel a big machine. You could do some, I reckon, with this. See what sort of pushing power this thing's got. Half revs. Well, there's just nothing to it, is it? I'm only at 1200 revs. Fantastic. These have come a long way, these have. I mean, the initial Torian loaders were obviously sort of straight Lee Bears, you know, and just painted green, but this on a different level. Holy moly, it's been a long time since I've been on a clamp and all. It really has. But I'm lovely and comfy in my seat here. What a beast. I've got a nice reversing camera there. Doesn't help that I'm doing it one-handed. But obviously, you know, it's a new machine to me. I don't want to go wrecking it. But just look at the, I don't want to push that wall over either. I ain't going to push too much harder. Man, that has got some blooming go in it. It really has. It's probably going to be the highlight of the day for me. This, for those of you that are wondering, this is like you know, an it's basically chipped up rubber, and it gives the illusion of you know, sort of an all-weather maze clamp. Oh, it is a little bit disconcerting when you're sort of up on this angle with this much weight, but it's controlling it a treat. The hydraulics, so smooth. I don't think I've driven a machine with hydraulics that smooth before. I mean, in the hands of a competent loading shovel driver, you could, blimey, you could load muck spreaders in, well, no time at all. Absolutely lovely machine. Right, let's see, really go with the beans now. Come on, girl. That's impressive. That is mega impressive. Oh, I want one. We wouldn't get it in any of the sheds, but I want one. That will do, I think. That's definitely the highlight of the day for me, operating one of these. These have come a long way. What a machine, what a machine. And off. Looks a fair bit of kit, doesn't it? Farmer Phil on the Torian there. He ought to know what he's doing. Got to have a go on the Torian, haven't we, I think?
I just want to know what that reverse angle is actually going to do. I can see what you're saying about that pushing your boot.
About the shuttle and that, yeah.
But it is very, very good. I like it.
Yeah.
I do like it. I just a bit, obviously hydrostatic's a bit different.
You've got to get used to it, ain't you? Of course you have.
No, I don't think that'll take you long.
No.
20 minutes.
Yeah, yeah.